In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Forms to Mailchimp. To get started, open Google Forms and locate the form you want to connect. Go ahead and open that form so you can access its editing page. This is important because the connection to Mailchimp is set up directly from inside the form, not from your Google Drive homepage. Once your form is open, look to the top right corner of the screen for the 3 vertical dots. Click that menu to open more options. From the drop-down list, select Get Add-ons. This will take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can install tools that add extra features to your form. When the marketplace opens, click into the search bar and type Form to Mailchimp. When you see the add-on appear in the results, open it and click Install. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Depending on your browser and account settings, you may be asked to review permissions before the add-on can be added. Just read through those prompts carefully and continue so the tool can be connected properly. After the add-on is installed, return to your Google form. At the top of the page, click the add-ons icon, which looks like a puzzle piece. From the list of available add-ons, select Form to Mailchimp. This opens the add-on panel and gives you access to the setup options you need. Next, click Configure, and then choose Connect to Mailchimp. A sign-in window will appear so you can log into your Mailchimp account and authorize the connection. Make sure you complete the authorization step fully, because this is what allows your form to send submitted responses into Mailchimp. Once the connection is active, the next part is mapping your form fields to your Mailchimp audience list. This simply means matching the information collected in your Google form, such as email address or name fields, to the correct fields inside Mailchimp. Take your time here and make sure each form field is linked to the right audience field, since accurate mapping helps keep your subscriber data organized and usable. After that, your setup is essentially complete, and your Google form should now be connected to Mailchimp through the add-on. If you plan to collect subscribers, it's always a good idea to double-check your field matches before sharing the form publicly. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.